How to see liked videos on Instagram. If you want to see your liked video collection on Instagram, first thing you do is open up the app and just make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into your app, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you're going to have to go ahead and tap on the menu icon. And once you tap on menu, then from here you're going to have to tap on your activity. And once you get here, you will find your interactions. So if you tap on the likes option, here you'll be able to see all of your previously liked posts and reels. And then you can easily go ahead and tap on it. So you can just go ahead and unlike the post. Now it will be removed from your liked history. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.